set up inside, outside, front, back. Didn't get the back one last time. Trailer set up. Let's get on it. We're gonna try doing a little bit of filming here with the Pro Clip. Did it last time, but I did it after the sun went down. You couldn't really see much, but this is actually a pretty good look. If you want to see what I'm doing driving, I mean, I just drive with one hand, but you know, you get it. It's pretty cool.
Today that was like off a fuel car on a Toyota. Circle gets you square at the top end. 1217 to a 1414. Yamaha snow skeeter. Street light. They're the dimmest taillights I've seen in my life. They're on, but barely. Yeah, the only one for the tires. That's like 1305.
long day. We had a great freaking time racing. The car's doing some weird stuff still. I gotta get it flushed. I gotta get it looked at. I gotta figure out why it's running so odd. It's like it falls out of gear and just zips to 7th gear in. But the trailer, unbelievable. I'm leaving late just because I got talking to people, not because I wanted to, but I did find a pretty nicely lit spot to share the experience, share the trailer. It's just such a good time having everything you could possibly ask for at the track under lock and key. Everybody's been loving the trailer. I think it's amazing that I do all this towing, and I'm just having a blast. So another track day down. Huge shout out to Cayuga for sponsoring me to get in here and supporting the channel. Again, it's pretty amazing. Follow TMP Cayuga for some of my shots. I'm sure they will be sharing more and more and more as time goes on. But that's it for me. Another successful day. Number 559. It's a different number every time, just to keep it interesting, but still, number 559 a day. Until next time, guys, drive safe and take care and behave as always.